Hspdp Youth Wing Central Body will kick-start their activities by constructing a house for one family in Mawthadraishan starting from the 2nd of February 2022. The Hspdp Youth Wing will also organize an essay writing competition on the topic Is There a Need for a Khasi Jaintia State? And followed by enrollment drives across the state.
Which is being held today here, has taken many decisions, and the decision that the central body has taken today, number one, as you've seen through press reports and media earlier, that the Hspdp will be constructing a 3-room house at Mawthadraishan, which falls on the Mawthadraishan constituency. And before selecting this household, the central body has taken the proposal from the local Darbarshnam along with its headman, and with that recommendation, the central body has taken this initiative of selecting this household, that we will be building a 3-room house at Mawthadraishan to that one beneficiary out there. That is number one. Number two, as a youth wing also of the central body, we have taken a decision relating to a competition on essay on the topic Hatu Donkam mo banyo yala ka jong ka Khasi Jaintia state. This essay will really help a lot regarding the students' community of the state, so that they know whether is it important or not that we need a Khasi Jaintia state of our own. That is very important thing. And relating to this essay writing, we have